Hi kids, let's learn ABCD. Oh, but where are my letters gone? Let's find kids. Will you help me to find my letters, kids? See, this is A. Call A. A. Ah, here is A. Wow. Wow, kids. This is A. A. A is for apple. Now say B. B. Wow. Here is B. Wow. Kids. This is B. B. B is for ball. Now say C. Wow. Here is C. C. C is for cat. Say D. Wow. D. Wow. Kids. D. D is for dog. Say E. Wow. E. E is for elephant. Now say F. F. Wow. Kids. F. F is for fish. No. F is for flower. Say G. G. Yes. G. G is for grapes. Say H. H. H for hen. Say I. Wow. I is for ice cream. Say J. J. Wow. J. J for juice. Say K. 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 Kids, K is for kite. Say L. L. Wow. L. L. L is for lemon. Say M. 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 M is for mango. Say N. 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 N is for nest. Nest. Say O. 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 O is for orange. Say P. P. Wow. P. P is for parrot. Say Q. Q. Wow. Q. Q is for quail. Say R. R. Wow. R. R is for rabbit. Say S. S. Wow. S is for sheep. Say T. T. Oh. T. T is for tiger. Say U. U. Wow. U. U is for umbrella. Say V. V. Yes. V. V is for vegetables. Say W. Say X. Wow. W and X. Yes. W. W is for watch. X. X is for Xmas tree. And X is for xylophone. Say Y. Say Z. Wow. Y and Z. Y. Y is for yak. Z. Z is for zebra. Okay. Wow, kids. But where are my numbers? Say numbers. Numbers. Wow. Numbers. 1. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. And 0.